Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a new column to Pipedrive. All right, just go ahead and select an item. For example, right here under deals, just click on it. And then you're going to want to make sure that you select a list right here. All right. Now, once that's done, just click on the gear icon right here at the top right. Click on it. Now, if you want to add a custom column or custom field, just click on the plus sign right here. Click on it and select whichever you prefer. Right here, I'm just going to select maybe person field. All right, and wait for the pop-up. As you can see here, you can go ahead and type in the field name, for example, person, right here, field group ungrouped. Or if you want to add a field group, just go ahead and do so. Just click on the plus sign. And after that, the field type can be text, large text, and some other options here as well. I'm just going to put in some text. All right. Hit on save. And when we use this function right here, as you can see here, it's not yet available. Just click on the gear icon again. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find the ones that you created. All right. If not, go ahead and use the search function and type in person right here. This is the one that we just created. I'm going to click on the tick box and hit on save. Now, when we use this slider right here, as you can see, we now have a custom column. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.